Doug here again, Doug's Customs. Today we're going to be doing a replacement on a pancake pipe on a 2.0 GLI turbo. Today my friend Tom Gas Can is going to be able to show you and tell you what he's doing to his car today.
Alrighty, so one of the big issues with the TSI motor is the pancake pipe. It is a turbo outlet pipe. As you can see, it's oval shaped, kind of like a pancake. Very restrictive and plastic made. So basically, what we're going to do today is we're going to let the turbo breathe a little bit easier. Alrighty, so here's the kit contents we're going to do. Again, like I said, this is a turbo outlet pipe kit. This is the new part. I've already installed the new original material grommets. Now, as you can see, this is a lot, not as restrictive. But the kit contains 30 psi boost clamps, seals, along with a turbo discharge pipe adapter. These are silicone, along with lower right intercooler adapter. Along with these come with billet specific adapters. So, without further ado, we'll move on. Alrighty, so first step of this process is you remove the wheel. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. Remove the wheel, and then we remove the entire inner fender well. Now, I do want to make a point though, in the kit, it does give instructions for the Mark 6 GTI, which actually comes in a two-part inner fender well. If you have the GLI like myself, it's actually a one-piece. So you must remove screws from 14 different locations in order to actually pull out the entire inner fender well, which is one piece. Okay. Once removed, you remove two clamps on the pancake pipe, one connected to the intercooler and the other on the KO3 turbo. Once removed, it's fairly straightforward, and then they actually pull straight down. And then you begin, working on the bench. So, as I was saying, here is the intercooler connection. Along with, we have to remove two bolts from two locations. Along with, here is where the KO3 turbo inlet, or excuse me, exit is. So, clamp here, two bolts, along with a clamp over here. With you Mark 6 guys out there, I want to point out that mine's a 2012. Mark 6 currently goes from 2011 all the way to 2015 with the facelift. I have the Gen 1 TSI motor. In this kit, you do have an adapter. If you get the stock equipment has a worm clamp on it leading to the intercooler, you do not need the billet adapter. It does come with one in the seal just in case you have a Gen 3. So basically, next, what we're going to do is that we're going to assemble it now in the vehicle. This is the discharge silicone adapter, and they say in the instructions to actually install it first with a boost clamp, and then to make sure we have proper fitment with the pipe. So the diagram shows. Okay. Next, we have this on top of it, along with this adapter goes straight into the intercooler with the billet adapter. Now, as you see in the adapter, we have a little bit of a flange, so we're going to install one of the seals that come with the kit. Okay. I was just starting one side and then smoothly working it around. Now, as you can see, I kind of have a twist here. You want to make sure it's uniform all the way around so we have a proper seal. So it takes a little bit of English, okay, and kind of working with your thumbs in order to actually fully have a proper seal, okay? Because you don't want any boost leaks because that's bad for everybody. Bad for horsepower and mile per gallon. As you can see now, it's all nice and even. So we're going to go under the car now. The billet adapter from the KO3 Turbo. As you can see, we're going to be reusing the factory spring clip. Maybe you can see this right here, but I'm going to use a flat-headed screwdriver to give it pressure, along with a little bit of silicone spray on the adapter itself with the seal. And what we're going to do is that we're going to open it, and we're going to be able to slide that bad boy in there. Okay? Give me like 5 seconds. Now, make sure you watch for clearance issues on that one. Alrighty, so here's the finished product. And what we have here is that we have all 4 clamps, our new pipe replacing the pancake. It is nice and round, good diameter, and everything is tight and snug. So, but again, a little pro tip here is, again, be very, very liberal with the silicone. Along with, remember that in the Gen 1s, it is a plastic intercooler flange, so please be careful whenever tightening down that final clamp leading to the intercooler. Alrighty, so now all we have to do now is place the inner fender well, and again, it's one piece. We're going to start from this side and go all the way over, and then we're going to get, everything put back together.
All right, that wraps up our turbo outlet pipe installation on the Mark 6 Jetta. I'd like to thank Gas Can for coming and helping us and showing us his nice Jetta. We'll do a walk around on his Mark 6. It's a little rainy here today, and we might do a follow-up drive. So thanks again for watching Doug's Customs. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And once again, peace.